today I am unboxing the Razer ENKI Gaming Chair. I did an unboxing already of the Razer Kraken Kitty Bluetooth headset. So if you want to check that out, that's already posted. And today we will be doing the gaming chair this time, all right? This will help complete my gaming setup. So I'm so excited to share it with you guys. Let's get into it. Fun fact, this is my first legit gaming chair, okay? I have only gone through sketchy chairs before this. So I'm really excited to see how the feel will be, how different it'll be, and how comfy I will be when I'm gaming now. I've never built one of these before, so I'm gonna have my trusty boyfriend on hand to help me out with this. All right, so this was the gaming chair, if you can call it that.
Gaming chair.
Gaming chair that I was using before this bad boy. So basically, it's actually storage. There's a bunch of just tech and bags and just random stuff. I was sitting on this, okay? Think of my back. Think of my poor back right now. I also have this. It's the Magic and Mayhem box from TFT, but that'll be for another video. So look out for that. And watch out for the full setup tour that you're gonna get once everything is set up. I'm super excited to go through everything, all the tech that I use for gaming, streaming, and videoing, vlogging, editing, all that stuff. And now, let's unbox this. Oh my gosh, it's so big. What the heck?
That's what she said.
Oh, ASMR unboxing.
I'm just gonna assist you. I want you to learn how to do this on your own. Check out my Naruto Crocs. These were given to me by Crocs. It's cool because they have like these little bags. What can you put in these bags?
This is fine.
Swing, swing, swing. All right, guys, rule number one, always cut away from you. Don't cut towards you. Cutting towards myself. Super dangerous. Shwa. Oh, there's gloves. Oh, it comes with gloves. Oh my God, I have Razer gloves, guys. Wow, builder's gauntlets. Plus 10 hand protection. Wow, do not use with magical stones of infinity.
Yeah, Infinity Stones. I guess they couldn't use Infinity Stones because, you know, well, the Razer. I wonder if they have any Razer branding.
Wow, they need to add Razer branding so I can like just go out. If they had winter here in the Philippines, it would be such a flex being like, yeah, I have Razer gloves.
How do they feel?
They feel nice and smooth. Look, it gives me plus 10 hand protection. It's a 2-player co-op. This is a heavy chair and may require backup. It is strongly recommended that 2 people assemble this chair. So ask a buddy to help. I have a buddy. And the builder's gauntlets. That's super cool.
And you gotta be
Plus 10
safe.
hand
You see
protection.
that? There's some rules. You can't do some certain things with the chairs.
Whoa, you can't surf with it? What the heck? That's fine. I get it. I get it. This is a big box.
Yep.
Whoa.
Awesome. All right, hold up your certificate of legitimacy.
Wow, that's crazy. It's time to take your throne.
All right, show everyone your big giant certificate, and it's an instruction guide.
It's not just a certificate, it is an instruction guide. All right, it's time to take your throne. What you're about to experience is posture perfect, hardcore gaming to keep you performing at your best. All Razer gaming chairs offer the optimal balance of support and comfort with a shape and fit that helps you maintain an ideal gaming form. You'll always be in your comfort zone to game on and on and on. Wow! Big reveal, look at that! We'll go into it more deeply, but it is pink with silver and gray. Just like the headphones, it's perfect because my whole gaming setup will be a little bit more cohesive, all right? There won't be as many random colors going on.
Just the girl that puts rainbow for her RGB. You're gonna make
There will still be some non-cohesiveness. I need my buddy to help lift it.
Let's go. Pass it to me. There we go.
Wow. Wow, look at that. Okay, we'll show it off closer up after.
Yeah, when it's all done.
Let's just get it out of the box for now.
Next.
All right, next foam. Okay, this is heavy.
Yeah, that's heavy. This is a full metal. Put it down here first. Down there. It's fine because there's foam around it.
All right, so this is some of the packaging. This is how it's packaged. There's a lot of foam covering all the pieces as well as plastic to make sure nothing gets scratched.
Yeah, so nothing gets damaged during shipping because this came all the way from, I think, China.
China, yeah.
Yeah,
It's a long journey. She finally made it home to me.
First thing that we're gonna have to do is the body. So that's this one.
All right, so here's the accessories in a separate compartment. We have the wheels, we have this.
That's for covering like the side once you screw the parts in.
And we have more stickers. Look, we have more pink stickers, similar to the ones that we got for the headset.
So it comes with tools.
Tools and the screws to put everything together.
See those? These are the only screws you'll need for the entire assembly.
That's crazy. Nothing like IKEA.
And down here, say goodbye to the box.
Goodbye, box. Wow.
There you go. And it's not too heavy, it's not too hard, but it is a lot faster when you're doing it with the thread. So let's remove the plastic for this. Okay.
Oh my gosh, it's so nice.
And it
It's so
feels good too,
nice.
right?
My handy dandy buddy is here.
Well, I want you to do it, not me, not
My
me.
buddy, lift it.
Nope.
I
Check.
could. Just know I could do it.
Lift it up.
Ready?
And then
Go. You watch the other side.
make sure
I
that
got
it goes in properly.
Mine's good. Mine's good. This is actually so nice. The screwdriver.
Yeah, we're gonna keep
We're,
it in there.
we're keeping this forever,
I mean,
so we can use it on other things.
Of course, of
This
course.
is solid. So we've been putting together a lot of IKEA furniture, like my desk and everything, and that has been a intense learning curve. This is nothing like that. This is so easy, and all the pieces are like basically where they're supposed to be already. Ta-da! All right, step one done. Okay, now we're gonna put the covers here for the sides. All right, that's gonna look good. Okay, the gloves make it a little bit more difficult to get the screws out.
But at least
Not
you're
gonna
safe.
lie.
At least you're safe.
It's like an extra difficulty, but I'm safe. So that's all that matters.
nice and secure. Good job.
Now that we have this to cover up what's underneath, we're gonna also put these gray things just to make it all match and look really seamless.
That's actually my favorite part. Removing all the small little things like that. It's like the cable
It's so
management of
nice.
building a chair,
Yeah,
right?
yeah. We're gonna move on to the next step. I'm gonna need my handy dandy buddy.
Oh, who's that?
I think his name is Cholo. He's kind of cool.
Okay, G, let's go. You said
Alright.
you had me at cool. I mean, you had me at kind of.
Kinda.
Okay, what do you
I
need?
need to lean this forward.
It's really interesting because the way your chair is built is slightly different from how mine is built.
Okay, we're gonna turn it around so you can see what I'm doing back here. Thank you, handy dandy buddy. There we go, there we go. Now you can see the inner workings of a Razer chair.
You know what? This is taking too long. I'm gonna help you do this.
Maybe that was all a part of my plan in the first place.
That's crazy.
This film.
If we had a cat, they would love this.
Absolutely.
We don't
Does
have a
anybody have a cat? We can donate this to them. I'm sure they'll have a blast.
Next up is the hydraulics.
Oh my gosh.
Yep. You got this, baby.
I did arms yesterday. I can't do this. You hold it while I screw.
There you go.
Ooh.
Not too tight, not too tight. Give it that elbow grease. Okay, we're almost done. We're almost done.
Oh, yes.
Okay, next up is we're gonna put this aside. So I need you to get the starfish over there. That's the next step. We're gonna put the wheels on the starfish.
Okay, now we're gonna work on the starfish.
That's probably not what it's
Yeah,
called.
we're gonna call it the starfish. I think universally we all understand, right?
It's heavy.
No. Muscles.
Here.
Do I just put them
Yep, just pop them in.
in? What? What do you mean?
Oh, there, that's pretty in.
Oh, it is? Okay.
Because the weight is gonna push it down.
I was waiting for a popping noise, like when we build transformers.
Next up, you need the hydraulics and the coupling.
All right. A little dress for the hydraulics.
It's a
like
what's
a
it called?
skirt.
Petticoat.
A petticoat, yes.
Petticoat. And help me. There you go. It's done.
It's done. So this is the chair. It's already done. So basically you just put the couple things together, you know, connect them all, and it's already set to go. And it's so smooth. Oh my gosh. Time for the first sit. I can't wait to play around with everything. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Wait, I'm going into gaming mode.
That's not gaming.
Yes, yes. This is so nice. Okay, wait. Oh, oh yeah. Really like how comfy it is. Honestly, the cushion is so nice. Look, it's got like, I can lean back a little bit. It's like,
You can adjust how sensitive the chair is to that. So like you can make it like, mine is a little bit stuck. It won't go back.
yeah.
But then you can do the rocking feature.
I like this. It's like when you're in a movie theater and it's like 4D, so the chair moves. This is, my posture is gonna be so good now. Here are my first impressions of the ENKI Gaming Chair. It is super, super comfortable. All right, I can already feel my posture is much better now. All right, I'm not slouching. On that bench, let me tell you, all right, gremlins would be terrified to see my posture on that. But this, look at this, back straight, I look elegant, okay? Feel elegant. The chair is super soft, the leather here. So the leather here, it's a soft leather, it's not glossy at all. So my skin won't stick to it, especially if I'm wearing shorts and I'm sitting on it for hours. It definitely won't get that weird, like, sweaty, gross feeling, which is nice. That's really important because I do spend a lot of time sitting and editing, and it was one of the pet peeves I had for my last chair and that thing. So when I'm editing, I always switch positions, okay? I can't sit still. So my skin will always drag on it, and luckily now it won't have that same effect because the matte leather goes all the way up to my back, so everything will be nice and comfortable whenever I'm moving around, squirming, and just suffering through my editing. So next up we have the armrest. They're not a hard plastic, they're more of a hard foam. So they're still comfortable, but also you know that they're durable. So the tech on these armrests are quite insane, honestly, okay? Star Trek commander seat would be jealous. So there's a couple buttons here. There's one right at the thumb rest. And basically this lets you swirl it around and move it back and forth. All right, the next button we have is located at the side where you can push it and you can bring it up and down. All right, up and down, not left and right.
Which way do you go?
Up and down, girl.
But I've seen people do it left to right.
That's not the right way.
And then there's one more button that's on the inside, which lets you move the armrest inside and out. So you can actually find like the maximum comfort for when you're either gaming or editing, whatever works best for you, you can find that position. And since we're talking about adjustability, I wanna see how far back this backrest goes. So let's try it out, Okay, I'm in position. Woo! Woo! Oh my God. Okay, basically, this turns into a bed. If you are losing all your games, you could just lay back, find your zen, and then, where is it? And then bounce right back up and get back into it, okay? There's no excuse for you to rage quit. And of course, with a lot of gaming chairs, you also want to account for height. All right, for me, I'm 5'3". Feet right now are on the floor. I believe this is the lowest setting. If you're tall, you can also raise it up so your feet are more comfortably planted on the ground. And if you are short, you can bring it down.
All right, so as for me, I am 5'7". I stand at 5'7". My feet are flat on the ground, so if Bianca's are flat on the ground, mine are more so. And I think that I can go a little bit higher and it still feels really, really comfortable. I don't really like going too high. What you remember is when you're dangling up like this, there's a chance that your legs are gonna fall asleep. And that's like a terrible experience. Like after you're playing for hours and hours and you stand up and then you go, whoa. Compared to my personal chair, this chair actually happens to be better for my height because my chair stands a little bit higher by default, even on the lowest setting, than this one.
And so there's a knob under the chair, which you can use to adjust the rockability of the chair. So if you don't like the chair moving while you're moving, you can lock it in so it doesn't move as much. There's also a lock on the left side of the armrest that lets you lock in a specific point in the rockability. I'm calling it rockability. I don't know if I don't know if there's another word for it. So there's more of a resistance with the push, meaning it's more stable so you don't move around as much. But if you kind of like the movement of the chair, of course, you can keep it unlocked. Like I said about posture, there is built-in lumbar support, meaning your lower back will stay good, will stay straight, hopefully for the rest of your life, as long as you're sitting on this chair, okay? I feel like a lot of us spend an ungodly amount of time in front of the computer, whether it's for work or for gaming. So you want this support so you can game for longer, work for longer, and when you're finally done gaming, you can get on the bed, you can stand up and still feel okay. So I hope you guys enjoyed the unboxing. It was quite a fun experience unboxing this and putting it together, especially with Cholo. Thank you for the help. I hope you enjoyed the first impression of this chair. I can't wait to really put it to use and play some games now. And make sure you guys are on the lookout for the next video, which will be a whole desk setup tour, which will feature the chair, which will feature the headset, and everything else that I use. All my tech, all my peripherals, everything that I have that makes my desk my desk. So be on the lookout for that. I will see you guys in the next video. I hope you enjoyed, and I'll see you next time. Goodbye.
Swagger down the street with your red lips and funky beat. You better hold your head up to the sky. I'm gonna roll with you till the day I die.